In a major development that could pave the way towards peace and normalcy after nearly 3 years of conflict in Manipur, former Minister and MLA Yumnam Khemchand interacted with Kuki-Zo displaced persons in Ukhrul district's Litan today. This is the first instance since the outbreak of violence in May 2023, where an MLA belonging to Meitei community had close interaction with Kuki-Zo people. MLA Khemchand visited relief camp set up at Sarai-Khong in Litan and inquired on the problem faced by 505 internally displaced persons who are currently taking shelter at the relief camp. Speaking on the sideline, MLA Yumnam Khemchand asserted that the conflict has brought only pain and suffering to all communities and it has hindered development in the state. The conflict has caused immense setback for the present and the future generations, and it is important to begin dialogue and to show solidarity so that the equal development can be brought back in both hills and valley. On the other hand, IDPs have also expressed their wishes to return to their original homes. Phungyar's BJP candidate Hopinson Simre, former caretaker chairman of ADC Ukhrul, Mark Litan, and other BJP leaders from Phungyar also took part in the visit.
Conflict is a Pithivigi, the Gayamada Dumtui. Adu, a coach the Sutui bar conflicts now. Madam Americanda, a coach Chanavayadava, Navayadava, Adu the Quickie development process, the arm so So, why shouldn't we think for this young generation? Nashi, I coin a Swibana, a future Angang of Wagadovi. I don't know, Halwiva, Premium like Gat, Punagan, Tamiraganda, what Hill and Valley, and you Punagan, Tamiraganda. Equal development over state of a seminar, I begin at the function.
IDP oina ama oibagi hiding bagi puji se khoi sida le pasi chahi phajil e adu ne khoi wana le jare ga government sina khoi hana le pham sida 100 bi number haina appeal to jari.
Somewhere we have to start the beginning. There has to be a beginning. Haina tawraga khoi se orakuni aduna ngasi suman ta se khoi ke su nate nusi chanan le ramba matama khamana hansin sera haibagi part amogoina phongthang lawni masida kanna khoi gi honorable minister weramba Yumnam Khemchand sina suman phongthang lawsi Manipur apun bagi peace kramai la kan sera khanbagi wakhan la yam harause khoi gi angam bhai mateng palaga Manipur normal life adu restore thong ba haibi Miyam so dum haro no opire basa so yam na nungai